cheese advent calendar. I think that is so funny. Good morning. It's Saturday morning and I'm finally home in my own house, in my own bed. I slept so well last night. We got up early to watch the World Cup, which was fun. It's SantaCon today. My brother was wanting me to come out with him and his friends at some point, but look at this weather. It is like very, very rainy. So instead we went to Costco. Donnie is now making us a massive breakfast. The next World Cup game is on and we're just gonna like eat a huge brunch and like lay on the couch, which in my book is like the perfect Saturday. Also, I look like a wet dog because it poured on us as we were coming out of Costco, and I now need to like shower and refresh because I am soaking. So we've just been having a super lazy day. We took a nap. We made some lunch that turned into like early dinner. We hung out, we watched TV, and now we're like eating leftovers. Donnie actually is making chicken wings and I just made hot chocolate, which I'm really excited it's about to be done. And then I think we're just gonna settle in and like watch a movie or something tonight. So very mellow day. I was supposed to go to a college friend's birthday / holiday party tonight, and I just texted her and I was like, I'm sorry, I had like a really long week of travel and just needed like a night at home. So I feel really good about my decision just to chill because I think it's what I need. And yeah, not a very exciting vlog today, but Vlogmas is always real life. So this is real life as a 27-year-old. I'm tired and I want to chill, so we're gonna chill. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's Sunday morning and I'm having my coffee and we're about to go to the gym. Donnie and I sat down this morning, made a plan for our day because yesterday we were talking and saying that a lot of times we just don't get enough done in a day and we like lounge around, which is good. I honestly needed to like lay low yesterday and do approximately nothing, but we have a lot of stuff we want to do today. Both of us need to work. So we want to like plan our day so we get everything done. So the agenda is we just had breakfast. We're going to digest and hang out for about 20 minutes. Then we're gonna walk to the gym, work out. I have not been to the gym in like, no joke, like almost 6 months. It's crazy. So we're gonna go to the gym and then we're gonna go to the Ferry Building, go for a little walk, get a coffee. So I'm only gonna drink a little bit more of this so I don't get jittery. But get a coffee, walk around. They have cute like Christmassy stuff, see the Christmas vibes, and then come back here, have lunch, do work for like 5 hours, have dinner, and then like relax and go to bed. So that's the agenda for the day. It's a beautiful, hold on, let's get this up. It's a beautiful sunny, nope, that was the wrong direction. It's a beautiful day. Are you ready? Oh, such a pretty day. I love where we live. I can't believe I still haven't gotten furniture out here, but now it's like winter and raining so much that it doesn't feel worth it. But we had so much potential to have just like the most beautiful patio out here. So I'm hoping we're gonna renew for another year and it'll be worth decorating in like January or February once the weather gets a bit better. But I just love our view. So pretty to wake up to. So nice that it's not raining today. We have a beautiful winter day. So let's go. I'm gonna clean the room for a bit because our house is literally a mess. And yeah, I hate starting the week with a messy house. So let's clean for a bit and then we'll go to the gym. All right, the room is looking a lot better. I need to fold that laundry later, but we are going to head out to the gym now. So we just got back from the gym. I am drinking a protein shake. I like these Orgain protein shakes a lot. Donnie always does the powdered protein, like makes a fresh protein shake. I've never really liked those, so these are my favorites. But yeah, we walked to the ferry building, just walked around a little bit. Didn't get anything, but it was still fun because it was festive and cute. And now he's making us some lunch. I think we're gonna have duck, which I don't normally like duck, but we'll see. He's a good cook, so I'm sure he'll make it good. And then the rest of our day is gonna be like chill, hang out, and do some work. So very exciting, glamorous day. I need to wash my hair too at some point. But also, if you remember from my vlogs earlier this year, my skin was so unhappy, and ever since I went to the dermatologist and got on spironolactone, which I don't know that I've actually talked about on my channel yet because I'm so behind on uploading like my vlogs from earlier this year, other than Vlogmas, which I just decided to pick up. My skin has gotten so much better. I also got Botox, which I feel like is starting to wear off, but I have an appointment with the dermatologist on Thursday this week to just like do a quick check-in on my skin and everything, so I'm curious to see what she says. But I am so much happier not like always having breakouts on my chin.